Welcome back to my bathroom. Today, since one person requested this, we're doing a Korean lash lift. We're perming our eyelashes. If this doesn't suck, I'll link it below. It's $20 on Amazon. Oh, and it's viral on TikTok. That's how you know it's good. The company is Cleon Prime. In your kit, you get the instructions, iPads, whatever these are, mascara wands, lipstick wands, step 1, step 2, step 3-1, perm glue, and a ring. That's a little overwhelming. Step 1, we're gonna wash the lashes. Those S's are S-ing with lash shampoo. It did not come with that, so we're gonna use one of these to remove the makeup. Those burn a bit. I'm also going to use face wash just in case. Step 2, cleanse lashes with lash lift primer. What? Okay, so you clean them twice. It also does not come with lash lift primer. We're just gonna wash them again. We'll use baby shampoo this time to thoroughly cleanse the lash. Now we use an eyelash curler. Is this too close? Place iPad on the lower eyelid to shield your skin. Step 4, we're gonna choose the lifting rod size based on your desired lift. That's these guys. Smaller rods create more curls while larger ones provide a softer lift. Small, medium, large. So we're gonna do the smallest one. They're just silicone little cutlets. They feel like those breast things that feel like raw chicken tenders. Apply glue to the back of the lifting rod and place it on the upper eyelid after 30 seconds. So get in here. Ignore my snake skin, dry skin, and remember this is the lash glue. I would say I have dry skin because of the cold weather, but that's a lie. The truth is I had a manic episode here in the bathroom yesterday, just putting a bunch of skincare on my skin. I had one zit. One. I came in here and basically did witchcraft on my face. Potions, lotions, suds, foam. Now my skin feels like the desert. Apply glue to the back of the lifting rod. Oh, we've already messed up. The back, because it's going to stick on your eyelid. Duh. We pop this thing on, right? Whoa, okay, the glue is hot. Hot glue. This is already a lot. How much is a professional lash lift? Oh, wow. $100 to $200 is a professional lash lift. How's that look? Well, it looks like you have a lazy eye. Now we're gonna apply glue to the front of the rod and use the Y brush to comb the lashes, ensuring even spread without overlap. The Y brush is where? Here's the Y brush with the lipstick wands. They should label this stuff, like they do IKEA furniture. This is A, these are B. Close your eyes. Why isn't that staying? I was just gonna do one eyeball for demonstration purposes, but honestly, you'd have to just do one at a time because if you did two, your eyes would be shut. Unless you had, a buddy. Unless you had a buddy. Do you have friends? The lash glue goes on top of this chicken cutlet. Really get in here. We're supposed to put these things up. Oh, wow. Do you see it doing it? These things are supposed to stick on the silicone. It's kind of hard to do. Some things are just not meant to be DIYs. Okay, so the lashes are not supposed to overlap. I'm assuming like when you perm your hair, however you roll your hair is how it's going to perm. What if my eyelashes fall out? I think we need a little bit more glue on sister right here. And really, you need one of those magnifying mirrors. And no, I did not get a new mirror for Christmas. Oh, I'm struggling a little bit with the middle. I can get everything, but that middle is not wanting to stay. It's like they have a cowlick. Oh, there we go. There we go. Take a look. What do you think? Step 7, use a new applicator or cotton swab. Apply number 1 perm lotion onto your lashes, ensuring thorough coverage while avoiding skin contact. Cover your eyes with plastic wrap. Oh, I don't have that. It does not come with plastic wrap. So the timing for thin lashes is 9 to 10 minutes, normal lashes 11 to 12 minutes, and thick lashes 13 to 14 minutes. What? I think mine are, what are they? We're just gonna do 10 minutes. Let me go get some saran. So step 1 is the perm solution. Yes, it is. Smells like rotten eggs. Onto the magic stick. And then onto the lashes, which I will admit is pretty scary to be that close to your eyeball. I need these things. Can you see some of them are slipping off the glue? We're just gonna have to keep going. How much is too much? The smell is very strong, and that you cannot blink your eyes makes it worse. You definitely just need a buddy with a friend. Uh-oh, I got it in that, what's that thing called? The wet line. This lady on the picture, hers looks like a wild Saturday night. Lots of solution. And it looks like she's doing a back and forth motion. Then saran over this. What? And just kind of sit here for 10 minutes. Well, while we wait, I can show you the new crumbl cookie stuff. You can get this at Satan's Den, the Walmart. This is the Cookie Crumbl Dove collab. We have confetti cake deodorant. Oh, that's terrible. Smell that. I got this from one of my friends who likes crumbl cookies a lot. I would rather smell her BO than her use this. I did use the body wash last night, also in confetti cake cookie. Smells just like this, and it left a lingering odor. It was kind of like patchouli. You know people who wear patchouli? I love y'all. Y'all go have fun. But eureka patchouli. We'd rather smell the devil's lettuce. They also have it in lemon glaze. This one's not bad. It does smell like a lemon loaf or the bundt cake with the confectionate sugar. Confectionate, am I saying that right? Probably not. Sugar glaze on top. Do you want to smell like that? I don't know. She's gonna like it. They were sold out of most of the stuff, but this is the last thing that I could get. This is the body scrub confetti cake. Can you see that? No. It's like a whipped body scrub. Again in the confetti cake. The very artificial smell. That's a weird collab. And I'm not really a crumbl cookie fan. If I want a big ass cookie that's underbaked, I'm just gonna eat cookie dough. Plus, when you go in the store and all the employees, all 30 of them, yell at the same time in unison, welcome to crumbl, 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 welcome to crumbl. Someone will pop out from the deep freezer. Welcome to crumbl. Shh. I haven't seen humans in 7 days. I don't want 30 people yelling at me at the same time. Are we almost done here? No. Let's go ahead and get prepped for the next step, which will be apply number 2 setting lotion. English is hard today. Using a new applicator onto the lashes. Stop. Let's try that again. All right, you ready? Apply number 2 setting lotion using a new applicator or cotton swab onto your lashes, ensuring each forget it. Let me. So next, we're going to apply number 2 onto the lashes thoroughly with a new applicator. And then we have to wait another 8 minutes. Step 2 is the pink packet. Going in with step number 2. I feel like we should use the whole packet. No, you would use the other half for the other eyeball, right? Or would you use a whole pack for one eyeball? I don't know. It's getting hard to see since I haven't blinked my eyes in about 10 minutes. Another good reason why the buddy system would just work better. A new piece of saran. Oh wait, that little ring was to put the solution in. 8 minutes for this. Now we remove the setting lotion using a new applicator. Using another applicator, you apply number 3, which is a conditioner for the lashes. Oh wait, they're coming off. Are they supposed to come off? It doesn't say, but after this step, you're gonna remove it and then remove this silicone chicken cutlet thing. When do we wash these? Or do we wash these? Gently remove this thing. Oh, that was easier than I thought it would be. Cleanse them, pat dry. Oh, nice. It worked. Here's the perm, here's no perm. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. And it's not too bad. I was worried it would look like caterpillar eyes. You know, girls that get eyelash extensions that looks like a big woolly mammoth. Not a woolly mammoth, a woolly caterpillar, a fuzzy caterpillar, which I kind of like the look. In a weird way, I guess it depends on who it is. I like the artificial look on people. I don't know why. I just think I guess because it's interesting. So I don't really mind the caterpillar eyes. I just don't want them for me. I wear contacts. Oh look, yeah, that does look better than using the curling iron eyelash curler. Did make my eyelashes a little bit lighter. Do you see that? They're kind of orange now where they were black. And that's probably from the perming solution, because sometimes when you do perming solution on hair, it lightens the hair a little bit. I'm proud of myself. Didn't even need a buddy. It does say it's gonna last for 8 weeks. I'll have to keep you updated on that. Whoa, my eyebrows. Oh, that one's gray. My eyebrows are turning gray. Since we put that Just for Men on my eyebrows, they look crazy as hell. The little tips are black. That Just for Men is no joke. I've just been cutting them. Well, not really trying to cut them that much, but I I've just been cutting the color out because it will not go away. Anyway, I appreciate you being here in the bathroom. Happy to be back from my break. It was nice. It wasn't really a break because I have so many jobs. I guess it was a break from my OCD schedule. Very routine military style. It was more relaxed, which brings me to this. How do I say this? I feel like I'm breaking up with you. Are we going through a breakup? As most of you know, I'm here every single Sunday at 1 p.m. Eastern time. Due to some schedule changes on my other job and some other projects I'm working on, I'm going to have to change. I'm no longer going to show up every single Sunday. I'll still be here. It will just be random days. And I know I could make the video, schedule it for Sunday, I get that, but I do want to try out a different schedule. For the beginning of this, I'm just gonna try out a bunch of different days, times, so make sure you have your notifications on if you wanna see whatever these are. So anyway, that's hard for me because I don't like change. Change is uncomfortable, but change is good. I don't have it figured out. What I know is, I don't know. Don't forget to drink your water. We're drinking water for New Year's. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, drive slow. We're already drinking water, and I will see you next time for something cool. Something cool.